Hi everyone, Kathy Maxon, Craft Creations by Kathy. Today we are going to use the bunny wreath form from the Dollar Tree, and we're going to I picked up the light pink and the bright pink also tool from the Dollar Tree. I'm not sure how many of these we're going to use, but we're going to be tying the tool on. So what we're going to do is cut them. So make sure I have one open already. So just make sure you know what your width of your tool is. And then you're going to be cutting them in thirds. But first, let's cut them 9 inches long. So I'm over here on the 19. So I need to be on the 10. So you can just cut all your pieces if you want. Cut them the 9 inches. And then, like I said, then we're just going to cut them down. Mine was 6 inches, so I'm going to cut 3 pieces, so in thirds. So we're going to cut them at the 2 inch. So they're going to be 2 inches wide. Hello. I guess you don't have to be like perfect. So I got some cut already. Let's show you. I have actually one started. So what we're going to be doing, we're going to be tying them on the middle to inside and then the middle to outside. So we're going to do, so you can see back here, we're going to do inside to middle and middle to outside. So we're going to do 2 pieces in 1 row. So basically you're going to take your piece, you can't really see that on the light color. We're going to take our piece, we're going to actually fold it lengthwise in half. So then just put it under your middle and your inner ring. Kind of make sure your tails are even. And then when you go this way, just kind of make sure they're even before you tighten it up. And we're going to do a complete knot. So you're going to knot it twice. And then you just kind of slide it up. So let's get another light piece, fold it in half. This time we're going to go from this center to the outside. Kind of line up your tails. Then when you tighten it, sometimes when you tighten it, you know, you get one that's longer than the other. Just make sure they are even up. At the end, you could always go and trim any long stragglers that you have. And then you tie it up in your complete knot. And you're just going to push it forward. So that's all I'm going to do. So I'm going to continue around the wreath. Like I said, I'll find out at the end how many we use. For the ears, I'm not sure. We could tie these on the ears, or I have like this white chunky yarn I can just glue to the front of it as well. So I don't know. So I haven't decided what I'm doing with the ears yet, but we'll at least get the bunny head completed and we'll decide from there. Okay, I'm back. This is how far one roll of each got me. It's probably, if you smush it up here, you're at least a good halfway. So, you know, if you're not going to do the ears, at least 2 rolls of each. If you want to play it safe, just buy 3 rolls. Like I said, I don't know what I'm going to do with the ears. This inspiration, don't think I told you, came from Holly Hobbies. She's on YouTube. She's actually also in my coaching group that I belong to. She did a Valentine's wreath. So I figured I knew I had this mesh downstairs. I actually had a whole case because I want to say whenever I bought it, or when I needed it, they didn't have it. So I ordered it online. So I got the light pink, the bright pink, and red. So remember, we're cutting them 9 inches. And then measure how wide your mesh is. Mine was 6 inches. So we're cutting them in thirds. So we're going to cut them 2 inches. And I do want to say, I know everybody has all across the US freezing temperatures coming if you don't already have it. Please stay safe. If you don't have to go out, you know, don't be going out. I know Ohio has built, our infrastructure is, you know, built for snow plows, salt, stuff like that. Well, I need light pink, but I just want to show you again. So we take in our 2-inch piece, we're going to fold it in half, and we're going to alternate. We're going to go from the middle bar to the inside bar and the middle bar to the outside bar. I'm just going to show you down here. And when you're tying your knot, tie it like in the center of your 2 bars. Kind of make sure your tails are, you know, even. I keep getting stuck. Sometimes the wreath forms have these tails that stick out of the wire. Oh, that was not a cut one. So you just have to, you know, try to, you know, navigate around those. So yeah, so if you don't have to go out, don't go out. I actually had the day off. Today is Martin Luther King Day. So I actually had the day off. So I stayed inside. So 9 inches, cut them in thirds, and then when I come back, we'll figure out something for the ears. We are back. This is what everything looks like. You definitely will need 2 rolls of each, so that's 4 rolls if you just want to do one color. Again, always maybe just pick up an extra color. I have some white. So I have some white chunky yarn. And I'm just going to wrap the ears. So I'm just gonna put a little glue back here. Not get the mesh in it. And all I'm gonna do is wrap it around without getting it in all the glue. So I think I have about 3 yards pulled off. This was actually like a straggler roll, and I think I may glue this to the top of that mesh right there, just so it doesn't keep turning on me. So yeah, so we can just loosely put it in. every now and then if you want. I'm trying to make sure that my fluffs, you know, that it's kind of going to be the same. I guess it should be on this side, huh? And just make sure how you're wrapping it is consistent. So you can always come in here then and shoot a little glue there if you like what you got going on. You know, just to hold it in place. See, because it will turn on you. But just continue doing this until you get to the other end. So I'm wrapping each ear separate. Just be careful when you're trying to pull them apart to get them together. You don't want to break the ears or make them come off from the form. So I'm going to tack it somewhere in here. I'll have to look to see what kind of Easter ribbon I have. So because now it's coming down, I'm going to tack it in some spots. End it. Oh, looks like I got a little piece of Tulle stuck in there. Come over here. Right, that's the end. Glue it. Hold it in place. Just cut it off. Glue it up a little. Fray. And stick to your scissors. There is our cute little bunny. I want to Like I said, you can put like a little tail down here. You can leave it as is. I'll see if I have any ribbon that I would like. You could always, you know, just use your pieces if you wanted to do that. But this is what we have. Hope you enjoyed the video. Thank you for watching. Please stay warm and safe.